Hello students, in our previous class we studied about, as you know, our reading chapter 8 is going on. The chapter name is birds, isn't it? So now we come to the next topic, okay? So let's start. Now we come to how birds fly. So children, can you tell me how birds fly? Birds fly with the help of wings. Wings are joined to the body with strong muscles that help them to move. These muscles help the bird to move its wings. Okay, so what happens? They possess wings. Birds keep asking they have wings and they have these wings help them to fly. Now there are strong muscles. This is one of the adaptation. Okay, special characteristics of muscle, say they are very strong and they help the birds to move their wings. Okay, so now to fly a bird flaps its wings, isn't it? And now another thing is, besides wings, that is the shape of their body, hair. It is shaped like a boat, so this type of shape helps them or makes it easier for them to fly. Okay, and whenever they need to fly, they flap their wings. Okay, to fly a bird flap its wings, isn't it? Both in the upward and downward directions. They move their wings into two ways. Okay, one upstroke and downstroke. And they have flapped their wings. They flap it into two ways in two directions. They are upstroke and downstroke. Now have a look at this movement. In upstroke movement, wings move upward and backward. Okay, now have a look at these movements. In upstroke movement, wings move upward and backward. Okay, let us have a look at the diagram over here. You can see the picture. In this picture, this bird is flapping its wings like this. When it is flapping the wings upward, its body moves backward. Okay, so this is called a upstroke movement. Now we again come to downstroke movement. Okay, in downstroke movement, wings move downward and forward. Okay, we again come to the picture. See the picture. In this picture, wings are flapped downwards. It's like this. When they flap their wings downward, their body moves forward. Okay, so in this way, this downstroke movement is shown by birds. Okay, so this is called a downstroke movement. So students, now besides this upstroke and downstroke movement, the tail of a bird helps it to change the direction during flying. And now whenever they want to change their direction during their flight, okay, they uses their tail. Now come to the next topic, feathers. Okay, feathers are the structures that covers the body of the bird. Okay, now these feathers are of three different types. So let's have a look at all these types of feathers. Okay, so first one is body feathers. Okay, as you can see in the picture over here, these feathers cover a bird's whole body. Okay, then there are down feathers. Okay, these are small, soft and fluffy feathers. They keep the bird warm. Okay, you can see the picture. These are small, shorter in size. They are soft and they are very fluffy and they keep the body of the bird warm. Okay, then the third type is flight feathers. Okay, these are long and help a bird to fly. They are present on the tail and the wings. You can see the picture. In this picture, this type of feathers, these are long and they help the bird to fly. Okay, they are present on the wings and the tail of the birds. Okay, now this was about the three different types of feathers. Okay, students, please go through this chapter 8. Okay, page number 81 and 82, and fill the page number 81 1 mark. Match the following and give 2 examples for the following. Okay, see the next video. Thank you.